Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I'm going to use up some paints here that I've had mixed up and used in other paintings. And I'm just going to do like a flip cup, see what happens. I'm not putting any silicone in anything. So I hope I have enough paint. I put down some white as the base coat. I'm about out of that. It's a little bit of bluebell, apple barrel, bluebell. Just a tiny little bit. This is apple barrel Key West. This is Anita's metallic gold. This is a purple that I made that has kind of a blue, like a dark blue, purple color to it. I made it using cobalt or phthalo blue and adding magenta to that. I'm going to put a little black in here. Have this pretty blue metallic. I think all of these should have been thinner. Story of Wanda's life. That's pretty. That's pretty. Might as well use it all up. That was Folk Art Metallic Blue Sapphire lightened up. What I wrote on the top of the cup. So hopefully that's what that is. I'm wondering if I should put some white down in there. Use a bunch of that just because I have it. Put some white down in there. A little more black. Used up all of that. This is a 10 by 10 canvas. So, we're going to see what I get. I don't know if you all can see that. Let it sit there for a minute. Ew, I think I had too much black come through. I did have some pretty dark colors in there. You know, one thing I haven't done yet is like an open cup. I don't think I've done a video where you cut the top off of it and you put your paints down in there and let it float around. Looks like an alligator face. Of course, the ugliest part's right in the middle. Going to see if there's any bubbles that need to be popped. And I think that might have just been a bubble. Well, I didn't want that to drop off, but it did. Ooh. Corners are such a pain. But I do love square paintings. Right in the middle, almost looks a little muddy. But there's some elements of this that's not that bad. Lacing, some weird cells and cells that popped up, and so wish that middle hadn't faded out on me. Still got quite a bit of paint on there. I don't know where I want to go with it though. Problems. Let me see if I go down this way and take a little off that corner that's not covered so good. If that helps. Right there, get that down in there. Man, I love that right there. I still don't have that corner covered good. What a pain. There we go. That's better. Okay. This is going to actually end up pretty, I think. Trying to decide if I want to take off any more. I still have quite a bit of paint on there. Well, I was worried about not having enough paint. I think I had too much. But you know what? This almost looks like rock to me. Even though it's got the blue, the greeny Key West color in there, I still think it almost looks like rock. And I almost see an alligator creature right in there. So I like it. I'm keeping it. I like it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I know this was kind of a long one. I need to do something in that corner over there. Put a dark color on it or something down in there. Looks weird. So I will take the camera down and give you all a close-up. Thanks for watching. So this is how it looks from the top. And there's a lot of action going on in this little sucker to be a 10 by 10. I just like it. I like how the colors blended, how the cells popped up. No silicone anywhere in it. Some of that purple kind of came through in areas. And hopefully it'll dry looking purple and not gray. Look, that looks almost like a turtle face right there. And I just think it's pretty. So, tell me what y'all think. Whether or not you think this is a keeper. And there's the weird alligator face, animal face. Almost looks like one in front of another. Oh, it's so fun. Sometimes to find critters. Okay, thank you for watching.